Hunza Valley is a mountainous valley located in the northern region of the Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. Hunza was formerly a princely state bordering Xinjiang, autonomous region of China, to the northeast and Pamir to the northwest, which survived until 1974, when it was finally dissolved by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The state bordered the Gilgit Agency to the south and the former princely state of Nagar to the east. The state capital was the town of Balti, also known as Karimabad. Another old settlement is Ganesh village, which means Baba Ganesh village, a Hindu name, Ganesh being name of a Hindu deity. Hunza was an independent principality for more than 900 years, and then, in the early 1800s, Hunza played a vital role in the British Great Game. In 1891, Hunza was captured by the British Empire, and the ruler of Hunza, Mir Safdar Ali Khan, fled to Kashgar, China, and the British Army installed his brother Mir Nazim Khan, 1892 to 1938, as a puppet ruler of Hunza Valley, but all orders were passed by British officers who were appointed in the capital Gilgit. According to an account written by John Biddulph in his book, Tribes of the Hindu Kush, the ruling family of Hunza is called Ayesha Ayasha, heavenly. The two states of Hunza and Nagar were formerly one, ruled by a branch of the Shah race, the ruling family of Gilgit, whose seat of government was Nagar. First Muslim came to Hunza Nagar Valley some 1,000 years, at the time of Imam Islam Shah, 30th Imam Ismaili Muslims. After the introduction of Islam to Gilgit, married a daughter of Trakan of Gilgit, who bore him twin sons, named Moglot and Girkis. From the former, the present ruling family of Nagar is descended. The twins are said to have shown hostility to one another from birth. Thereupon their father, unable to settle the question of succession, divided his state between them, giving Girkis the northwest and to Moglot the southeast bank of the river. On 4th January 2010, a landslide blocked the river and created Atabad Lake, also called Shishkit Lake, resulting in 20 deaths and 8 injuries, and effectively blocked about 26 kilometers, 16 miles, of the Karakoram Highway. The new lake extends 30 kilometers, 19 miles, and rose to a depth of 400 feet, 120 meters, when it was formed as the Hunza River backed up. The landslide completely covered sections of the Karakoram Highway.